Hello everyone, I will be teaching you how to build a watering system design in Tinkercad. Firstly, you will need to have these two parts set out. Firstly, a small breadboard as shown here. Next, you will need an Arduino Uno R3, also shown here. Finally, you will need to bring a power supply into the workspace. Now connect the positive end to the positive rail on the breadboard. Next, connect the negative. Now, something I would recommend would be to color code the wires, having the positive wires as red and the negatives as black. Now click on it to adjust the voltage. Once you see the little pop-up in the top right corner, adjust the voltage to 12. Next, you will search up motor in the search bar on the right. The first thing we will need here is the H-bridge motor driver. Now fit it onto the breadboard here as shown. You will need to rotate it using the rotate tool up at the top. Now, you will need to provide one of the power wires to the motor driver. Use a red positive wire and position it as such. You will then connect this wire using a much smaller wire to the power 1 bend of the driver. Next, do the same for the enable 1 and 2 port. Now you will provide ground to the driver. Using 2 black negative wires, you will connect to the negative power rail. Now, it's time to connect power from the breadboard to the Arduino Uno. First, start off by connecting a black negative wire to the ground port of the Arduino. Now, use a red positive wire to connect the positive rail to the 5-volt port on the Arduino. Next, we will add the DC motor from the search menu we have open. Now, we will connect terminal 2 to line number 23 on the breadboard. Now, we will connect terminal 2 to line number 23 on the breadboard. Now connect pin 28 to pin 29 on the breadboard, then go to the positive part of the breadboard. Now take a black negative wire and connect it the negative rails together. Now go to the search bar and get a 4-pin ultrasonic distance sensor. Now connect the trig pin on the sensor to number 12 on the Arduino. Connect 11 to the echo pin. Remember, color coding is optional. Do the same with 12 to the trigger pin. Now, connect VCC power to the 5-volt power rail on the breadboard and the ground to the negative rail. Now connect number 9 on the Arduino to number 27 on the breadboard. Now grab number 6 from the Arduino and put it on number 22 on the breadboard. Now, with the code provided, you will insert it via text. That's it for the tutorial.